Hi, I'm Christy, a health education specialist with Tobacco Free Humboldt, a DHHS tobacco prevention program focused on providing tobacco education and resources for the community. According to the American Cancer Society, smoking remains the single largest preventable cause of death and illness in the world. Quitting tobacco and nicotine products isn't easy. It takes time and a plan. The Great American Smokeout is November 17, 2022. It is a day to practice and plan for a commercial tobacco and nicotine-free life. When you are trying to quit, support can make all the difference in the world. Tobacco Free Humboldt can provide you or your organization with free quit kits that have resources for getting free counseling, making a quit plan, and creating strategies to help you manage urges. Our program offers a youth coalition for young people that encourages them to engage in tobacco control education and outreach activities too. Quitting is a process. You don't have to quit in one day. Start with day one. Contact us at tobaccofreehumboldt@co.humboldt.ca.us. You can also access free quit counseling and support at kickitca.org.